Good evening to you on what is pretty close to an ideal evening for football. There is barely a cloud evident. The world and his wife have gone to great lengths to be here for a match of great consequence and massive interest in these parts. Barely a breath of wind, so the football has no excuses for not being at its very best. The teams I know are pumped for this. They are fantastic scenes in the stands. There is a great sense of drama here, a great sense of excitement and expectation. And this must be amongst the favoured arenas of supporters all over the world. It really does have a very special feel to it. This is the lineup we've been given. How do you read it, Jim?
Well, the modern version of that is a lot more fluid and flexible than in bygone times. There's a much greater understanding of the need for players to cover forward running, and it enables risk-taking while the gaps are filled. I'm very much a fan of it. There are a lot of people who seem to have kind of ignored it and just put it to bed, but it still works, it's still valid, and I think we're going to see it be successful here.
There's the whistle, and here we go. That's sprayed out wide. Well, the ball's come loose, and the chase is on. He's not played the ball, that's a foul. It's not taken him long, and that's going to be a booking. Good work on the right flank. Now, what's next? Shot at goal! And it's a goal! There is the breakthrough! He was urged to shoot, and he duly delivered.
Well, he made it obvious as to where the pass should be played, Peter, and it made the finish look that bit easier.
Deadlock broken, it's 1-0.
Yeah, this is also a chance.
That's a foul, no two ways about it. And he's going to have his name taken. Hardly anything between the sides, and the score is 1-0. And the weighted pass. Timely intervention. Oh, it's a foul there right on the edge of the box. Well, the referee's decided that he was fouled outside the box, and it is just a free kick.
Well, I think the alternative was to stand there and do nothing while he tried to score, and obviously he's not going to allow that, Peter, is he? So
a chance here, what can they make of it? Looking to pull clear here.
Yeah, that's top defending and preventing him turning, which can open up many possibilities.
Shapes to shoot! He scores! All too easy! They are in danger of disappearing out of sight!
Well, you know, thinking about that, I think they've perfected that on the training ground, because it took them seconds to get the ball from back to front, and they really commit forward in numbers too. That was all very well drilled.
Things starting to look very comfortable.
Well, at 1-0, this contest was still nicely poised, but now that it's gone to 2, mindsets are affected a lot more. Winning belief one way and that losing feeling the other.
What a throw in. Going through. Defence got the better of him this time, but I'm sure he'll go again. Oh, that is lovely footwork. He's got away. Hits one! Cleared without complication. Kicks it out wide. Crunching tackle. And that is going to be the final action of the first half. Any opinion you'd like to express on the first half?
Well, it's looking pretty straightforward, Peter. They've got themselves into a very good position, so why dither from here when they can repeat their first half success with another show of strength?
It has been a remarkable contest, decorated by goals, and 2 between them at half-time. So we're just settling back into this second half. Looks a foul. Yep, referee's given it. Tries to get it. And the finish! That is a great ball, but not a great finish.
It's easy to say it, but difficult to stop it when runs in behind are being made like that.
More than happy to take the muscular approach. Stages of the second half, and still 2 between them. Here it comes. Sticks in a foot to win it back. Oh, he's going to be pulled back for that one. Is there any support? He might not need it. Chip through, crosses in a low one. He's left his man, crowd calling for him to shoot. Gets good distance on it. He's going after it. Good interception. Could try cutting inside here. He's got away. Time to deliver. Crosses it in. Is it in? Oh, should have put that away.
And he could have eased the pressure on his team by taking them within one of an equaliser.
Some activity down on the touchline. It seems there's going to be a change. So we have a double substitution going on here. That's the sort of defending that is going to upset the opposition. It already has, actually.
Well, he'll be seen as the #1 enemy because of his creative ability.
Forward it goes. Ball through needs to be good here. Now has a pop! And the ball could fall kindly. It's in! Deep deep into injury time. He was really quick to react to the initial save, and he has his reward.
Well, they say all goalkeepers are crazy, and after that, maybe there's some truth in it.
This is threatening to become a really good game. And that's it. Well, whatever the shortcomings on either side, it was a great game to watch, just one between them. What are your thoughts on today's game?